Welcome to Sound Balance Physical Therapy. I'm Dr. Jonathon May.
And I'm Melanie.
We're creating a new series of videos which highlights the exercises in our home exercise program book.
And you can find a link to that book in the description below.
We'll be posting new content every day, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to hit the notification bell below so you can be notified every time we post.
And if there's any suggestions that you want us to make videos for, then leave a comment down below. This exercise is called burpees. Most people who are aware of burpees know how difficult they are. So this is a full body exercise. So you'll be working your upper body, your lower body, as well as your cardio endurance. So it is a great way to increase your heart rate. It's a great warm up. It's also just in general a great exercise. So this is done by squatting down, putting your hands on the ground, kicking your feet out into the push-up position. Some people will do a push-up, some people don't, and then they'll bring their knees back up so their feet are next to their hands, and then they jump up towards the ceiling. So I will demonstrate that for you with the push-up. So start here, hands down, feet back, push up, feet up, and jump. Okay, that is a burpee. Hopefully that was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified of new content that we put out. Thanks for watching and keep moving.